Let's get it. Can play on me. Fuck is that?
Oh yeah. When I pull up on me, tell them, baby, don't you know all of these niggas wish that they could beg? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind down. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now. Shot clock.
What's up? About to do some crazy shit. Y'all ready for this?
Shot clock. Shot clock.
I'm trying to tag a bunch of people. See as many people's like get on here real quick. Everybody stay tuned. You know who it is.
5 years of dating, tired of being patient. What the f you waiting for?
Finishing up, tagging everybody. See if I get everybody tuned in.
It's a lot of hate, and I don't entertain it. But damn, you gotta give me more.
I know.
If you don't want it like me, I can think about 100 things I could be doing right now. Don't wasting my time with you. Okay, but you gotta have it your way. I'm gonna start that clock on your
ready for this?
See what's up when I pull up on me. Tell them, baby, don't you know all of these niggas wish they could beg? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind
Waiting for everybody to
down.
tune in.
24
The fuck
seconds.
is a good station? The fuck is this? Oh, that's not it. 97 now.
Celebrating its achievement.
Fuck this country shit, man. I'm trying to get some good shit going.
In theaters December 13th. It is Joey Radio from Mojo.
Hey, everybody tag everybody. Y'all ready to see me crash this brand new whip? Y'all ain't ready for it. Look, fucking red light. We don't stop at red lights out here. This radio fucking sucks, man.
Your cycling performance. Yes. But water has to always
13
be
people.
effective.
That ain't enough.
So I don't go shooting where I be. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me. Then I'm left to deal with making you bleed. And that's a whole lot of love you trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. It's just a beautiful words, don't wanna taste it.
How fast you about to go in a what? See if I get to 135. at, motherfuckers? Where the police at? Going fucking 100 miles an hour, ain't no goddamn police? God. Fucking 2 in the morning, ain't no police out here? Shit. This how y'all motherfuckers be getting down in Detroit? Y'all motherfuckers in Detroit think you sweet? Come get this smoke. Come get this motherfucking smoke. motherfucking smoke. Fuck you, Kevin Gates. Fuck you, Kevin Gates. Fuck you, Eminem. Fuck you, Bill
97.9 WJLB.
The D's, hip hop and R&B.
She take my money when I'm in need.
Hey,
Yeah,
she a trifling friend indeed. Oh, she's a gold digger. Way over time. That thing's on me. Hey,
I ain't saying
she a gold digger.
She ain't messing with no broke. I ain't saying she ain't messing with no broke. Get down, girl, go ahead, get down. Get down, girl, go ahead, get down. Get down, girl, go ahead, get down. Get down, girl, go ahead.
Hey,
With a baby Louis Vuitton under her underarm, she said, I can tell you rock, I can tell by your charm. Bars, girls, you got a flock, I can tell by your charm and your arm, but I'm looking for the one. Have you seen her? My psychic told me she have an like Serena, Trina, Gina for Lopez, 4 kids, and I gotta take all they bags to show biz. Okay, get your kids, but then they got their friends. I put up in the bins, they all got a bid. Y'all went to bed, and then I had to pay. If you deal with this girl, then you better be paid. You know why? Take too much to touch her. From what I heard, she got a baby by Buster. My best friend said she used to with Usher. I don't care what none of y'all say, I still love her. I ain't saying she a gold digger. She ain't messing with no broke. I ain't saying she a gold digger. She ain't messing with no broke.
hey, girl, go ahead, get down. Get down, girl, go ahead, get down. Get down, girl, go ahead, get down. Get down, girl, go ahead. Hey,
18 years, she got one of your kids.
got you for 18 years.
I know somebody paying child support for one of his kids. His baby mama contract is bigger than his. You was seeing him on TV every given Sunday. When the Super Bowl and drive off in the Hyundai. She was supposed to buy your shorty tight phone with your money. She went to the doctor, got Michael with your money. She walked around looking like Michael with your money. Shoulda got that short Geico for your money. If you ain't no punk, Halloween, we want prenup. It's something that you need to have. And when she leave, she gon' leave with half. 18 years.
We in a different lane, bitch.
And on her 18th birthday, it wasn't. I ain't saying she a gold digger.
Playing real chicken out here.
I ain't saying she a gold digger. She ain't messing with no broke. Get down, girl, go ahead, get down. Get down, girl, go ahead, get down. Get down, girl, go ahead, get down. Get down, girl. I ain't saying you a gold digger. You don't wanna do the smoke, but it can't buy. You go out to eat, you can't pay, I can't believe. It's just she's in the back, you gotta roll these but why you watching? He gon' make it to a big out of that dressing. He got that ambition. Look at his eyes. This Mickey Mouse floors next week is the fries. So stick by his side. I know he's losing. Yeah, that's nice. We gon' keep calling. But you stay right, girl. And when you get on, he be your for a white girl. Thank you for making us number one in the D. 97.9 WJLB.
Hey, we getting gas out here.
Thoughts in the night.
Okay.
It's like pop. Changing colors like you
Yeah.
like it's dirt. Hold the bands down. Hey, hold your bands down. Come around.
Bro, quick.
Control. Don't need to break. Put the man's down. Man's
What's up? Getting some gas real quick. We on E out here. Gotta get a full tank because when we running from the police, you know what I mean? We gotta get moving. We gotta have enough gas to get away from them. Can't get pulled over out here. What the fuck you mean? Hey, Kevin Gates, come get this smoke. Hey, what number is this red truck out here? The red truck out there, what number is that?
I'm sorry?
What number is that red truck? 8? Let me get,
Number 8, yeah.
let me get 50 on 8.
Okay.
50 on 8. 50 on 8. Tell that nigga to call the police. He already knows what it is. None of y'all niggas want smoke. Oh. What we gonna put in here? We put that expensive shit, that premium. Fuck it. Money comes and goes. Bitches, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday. He thought he was the police. Look, police thought they was about to roll up. Look at him. Police. He thought he was the police in this little Charger, man. Fuck that Charger. Oh, y'all ain't ready for this, man. 100 miles an hour and a 35, and the police ain't pulling me over? What's that tell you? I'm a motherfucking God. Jesus, reincarnated. They don't fuck with me out here. They know what will happen. They keep putting dirt on my name, disrespecting me. I'm gonna kill them. It's fucking cold. What up? Man, y'all keep bullshitting. It's fucking cold. Fuck bitches, get money. Fuck bitches, get money. Hey, somebody type BHB's bum ass nigga think he's sweet because he got a Glock. Motherfucker, that ain't even a Glock. That's a fucking 9mm. What the fuck is a 9mm gonna do, nigga? Shoot me in the head. All my homies dead, push me to the edge. All my homies dead, push me to the edge. Okay. That's how we don't give a fuck out here. We just dump that gas right there. We don't give a fuck. You wanna see some sweet shit? Watch this shit right here. I'm gonna light that shit on fire. Blow this motherfucking gas station up. Think I give a fuck? Just blow this fucking gas station up. You ready to see this shit? Close the gas tank, and I ain't trying to blow myself up. I'm smart out here. I'm gonna light this motherfucking gas station on fire.
I
trees. Who you think brought you the ODs? Easy E's, Ice Cubes, and DOCs. The Snoop D-O-double G's, and a group that's police. Gave you a tank full of dope beats, the part where you stroll through in the hood. But when your album sales wasn't doing too good, who's the doctor they told you to go see? Y'all better listen up closely. Oh, you say that I turn cap on the firm flop. Y'all are the reason the Dre ain't been getting no sleep. So y'all, all of y'all, if y'all don't like me, y'all gon' keep around with me and turn me back to the old me.
Nowadays, everybody wanna talk like they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of gibberish. That they forgot about Dre. Nowadays, everybody wanna talk like they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of gibberish. That they forgot about Dre. So what do you say to somebody you hate? What? Or anyone trying to bring trouble your way? One of his old things in the blood of your way. Just started your tape for fame WA. One day I was walking by with a walking on, when I caught a guy, give me an awkward eye. The mom in the parking lot with a spark and eye. I don't give a if it's dark or not. I'm harder than me trying to talk and die. Right next to when you move this truck in a two-car garage. An hour with two broken legs trying to walk it off. You two, call the cops. You want them now, barking dogs. And when the cops came through, me and Dre stood next to a burned down house. With a can for the gas and a hand for the mess. I still want found out. Right here, from here on out, it's the chronic tune. Start the day, tomorrow's anew. And I'm still local enough to you to the Charleston too. Damn shady, hotter than a set of twin babies. And the Mercedes Benz with the windows up when the temp goes up to the mid-80s. Calling me and ladies. Sorry guys, but I've been crazy. There's a way that you can save me. Damn Haley. Nowadays, everybody wanna talk like they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of gibberish. That they forgot about Dre. Nowadays, everybody wanna talk like they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of gibberish. That they forgot about Dre.
It was up to me. Stop coming up to me with your hands out, looking up to me like you want something free. When my last CD was out, you wasn't bumping me. But now that I got you no company, everybody wanna come to me like it was some disease. But you won't get a crumb from me, cause I'm from the streets and I told them all. All them little gangsters, who you think y'all more than more? Now you wanna run around talking about guns like I ain't got none. What you think I sold them all? Cause I stay well off. Now I wanna get his hate mail all day saying Dre fell off. Cause I've been in the lab with a pen in the pad trying to get this label off. I ain't having that. This is the millennium of aftermath. It ain't gonna be nothing after that. So give me one more platinum plaque rap, you can have it back. So where's all the mad rappers at? It's like a jungle in the savage chat. But all these savage cats turn up. We were cuddling in the cabbage patch.
Nowadays, everybody wanna talk like they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of gibberish. That they forgot about Dre. Nowadays, everybody wanna talk like they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of gibberish. That they forgot about Dre. Nowadays, everybody wanna talk like they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of gibberish. And some of them act like they forgot about Dre.
You're listening to 97.9 WJLB, Detroit, home of the Breakfast Club and hip hop and R&B for Wayne County. At WJLBDetroit.com, an iHeart radio station. Yeah.
What up, Dre?
Okay.
Okay. Come on, man.
Little CC on the beat.
Ready for the drop?
Yeah. I mean, where should I really even start? I got that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead. Thought my raps were the facts, so they sat with the bars. I got two phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell that apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple take place. Really just lap every in a race. I really might tap this on my face. Lil CC, let's slap with the bass. I used to say, put a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave you. I was on top of it, and a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, wanna swap. Wanna swap like the sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mob top, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in the grave. Couple fuckers kill a score like the lick. And she on to the next. You living large, she ain't all with a Mac. When you think it's small in the mall with a rat. Go with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a half a million in the sprinter. Fool when you know a big tripper. I got the hook up and it really no limit. Dead boogers in your DNA. This is not a syndicated with the look, just another state case. Bird mama, she Gotta count on my allowance. Keep my ambition, so I gotta reroute it. Dripping like I got $1 zillion. Got the truck jumping like slang when I reach out in the mall. And I never talk about it. The homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich, and I'm really being modest. Cause the way I do my deals, never treated like an artist, want a house. You could DM my account. My damn 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit the E. They ain't living so bad, man, with me, rough down. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple in their place. Really just slap every in a race. I really might tap with this on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save with a mask and a cane. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave you.
Macomb County police, they don't want to fuck with me. They don't want to pull me over. I've been going 100 miles an hour in the motherfucking 25. I've been going for like 20 miles and none of them want to pull me over, so I'm going to Detroit. Let's see if the Detroit police want to fuck with me. We heading southbound. We heading, what mile is this? We heading southbound on Van Dyke. Southbound, yep, coming, pull me over. Southbound on Van Dyke. Tune in all Macomb County Sheriffs, Macomb County, Clinton Township. Y'all out here letting a motherfucker be reckless. What's up with that shit? Reckless endangerment, putting people's lives in danger. And y'all ain't doing your job? Y'all motherfuckers sleep right now? Shit, y'all motherfuckers sleep. I'm woke. Stay woke. Jesus Christ, I'm God. So we heading to Detroit because Macomb County Police, they don't want to pull me over. So we gonna head southbound. Let me see what road. We're passing the Magic Theater on the left. Let's see what road we pulling up on right now. I'll tell you guys. Tune in. What up, Kevin Gates? Is this the police right here? Oh, that ain't the police. 23 mile. Let's see here. 23 mile and Hayes. We on 23 mile and Hayes. Where the fuck the police at? Shit, let's test them. Let's test them. Any other time they out here pulling motherfuckers up. Oh, there's the police right there. Oh yeah, there's the police right there. Let's see if he, oh. Hey, fuck you, nigga. Look, stupid, man. Motherfucker going 80 and a 35. This motherfucker don't want to pull me over. Shit. Motherfuckers ain't doing their job out here. What's up with that shit, man? It's because they know who I am. They know I'm Jesus Christ. Test these motherfuckers in Detroit. See about these shooters, you know what I'm saying? These Crips and these Bloods. See if they about that life. Talking about all that witchcraft, all that satanic worship. See if they about to put me down like a dog, you know what I'm saying? They fuck you and your mind. Let's turn the music back on. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town show. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna
go out walk.
Hey,
if you want the store, I'm a young CEO for sure. Yeah. High, packing a man to go. She like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just had a deal, I'm on. Yeah. I go out walk. Good. Play if you want the store. I'm a young CEO for sure. Yeah.
97.9 WJLB.
The D's hip hop and R&B.
Still getting cash out like nachos. Uno, dos, no third shit.
Here they come right here.
We got second in the lotto. Big knocking the rocks of potos. Still getting cash out like nachos. Hit it from the waist, then I tell it no much. Shit, free, I just tell it big all out. I watch out for me. She call me Poppy, I hit it with no socks. She like, Jay, can I get some purple for her? I'm like, yeah, check it out. Close the door, tropical block, you finna up the score. Air pulling, I have like a orange. Oh no, girls, no, that shit start though. We got checking nothing a lot though. Big knocking it, I support those. Still getting queso like nachos. Oh no, those, no, that shit start though. We got checking nothing a lot though. Big knocking it, I support those. Still getting queso like nachos. I tell her pull up on the kid, man. I be about to slow down for these police shoot their mouth. It was from the back, she gon' call me Papa. Bend it over, yeah, make it crack quick. Duck in the poop, yeah, I'm on that section. So fly, put the tape on that caption.
Hey, everybody comment below, you think if they gon' catch me or not? Dead or alive, bitch!
We got taking nothing a lot though. Bitch, knocking it out zapatos. Still getting queso like nachos. Uno, dos, tres, zapatos. We got taking nothing a lot though.
Uno, dos, tres.
Still getting queso like nachos.
Yeah, that's a vibe at Uno. I love that, man. What's happening? All right,
What's
how about this? I want to know what's going on with Nicki Minaj. She says white media are nicer about me than blacks. Oh, man, get out of here. Okay, so you mad because we get on you about what you... Come on, man. Come on.
Come on, man.
Okay, they might be a little bit nicer. There might be some truth to that, but I don't know if you just... The way you're saying it just makes it feel nasty, Nick. I don't know what's going on with Nicki Minaj. I just want her to make hit records again and not do this. You know what I mean? Am I wrong? Because this Nicki, I ain't really get it. I'm just keeping it above. Coming up,
Rap
Chris
God,
Brown
Satan,
plus
baby.
Quality Control and Alicia Keys next on Live and Talk Phone. 97.9 WJLB.
The D's, hip hop, and R&B. What up, though, Detroit? Guess who? Guess who? Add this one to your playlist.
I want some fun.
Oh! Shit, car just cut me the fuck off. Car just cut me the fuck off. Hey! Why did you car cut me the fuck off? Nigga trying to bump my tires? Nigga, where the fucking spike strip? Where the fucking spike strip at?
She saw my eyes, she know I'm home. I see some things that you might fear. I'm gonna show up, be back soon. That ain't what she wanna hear. Now I got it in my room. Legs wrapped around my beard. Got the fastest car soon. Hope we make it out of here. When I'm with you, I'm feeling high. You say you love me, don't you lie? Won't come behind the one. Keep the pistol on my side. Kisses feel she feel my mind on my ideas. I'm the highest in the
Alright, so currently there's only 4 police officers on me. I'm trying to get a record. I'm trying to get 100 police officers on me from all the fucking Macomb County area, Clinton Township, Fraser, motherfucking New Baltimore. Shit, he's getting a little close. I don't like that shit. I don't know. You better back the fuck up, my boss. You better back the fuck up, my G. What would Kevin Gates do in this situation? He'd probably pull his bitch ass over, I'll tell you that.
I've been going to the real. No, they not back of the real. Gorgeous, baby, keep me hard and still. Been on this since we was kids. I feel my mind up with ideas. Cases fumes.
Y'all was neglecting me. I told you I was a motherfucking God. I told you I was Jesus Christ reincarnated. Y'all owe me. I put my fucking life down on the line. I died on the cross for y'all sins. And this is how you motherfuckers repay me? Huh? Make me fucking work a 9 to 5 every day for chump change? The fuck is that shit, man? Out here struggling every day. For what? Pay for a motherfucking car to get to and from work just to pay for the motherfucking car. That shit don't make no damn sense. These motherfucking police, bro, they still chasing me. What the fuck's up with this shit? Oh, they giving up now? Oh, they giving up now. Fuck it. Yeah, oh, I guess they're not. I guess we got one of them staying in the chase. Shit, maybe it's because we're pulling up in, looks like Fraser or Roseville. Maybe the Roseville police are going to pick up. Let's see what we got here.
Google Play.
Just search Hot 107.5. It's the All-Star Comedy Festival, December 7th at the Fox Theater with Lavelle Crawford. I didn't know he was here until my wife came across. Lavelle, what are we going to do? I said, I don't know. That's what you're going to do. But I live with my mama. I'm going to just have to stay here. We can be standing outside. She be talking about phone. Look at her. She's selling dope over there. Hey, baby. When y'all find out how all my baby mamas really look, please don't stop believing in me. You love me? I love you too. Ooh, get up. Let me see. Now sit down. Sit down.
I go to the bar, I'm like, can I have a Hennessy on the rocks, please? She pours the drink, that'll be $19. Can I get you anything else? Yeah, give me the bottle so I can pour the back in there. Comedian D-Ray, and it's all hosted by...
Where the police? Huh? They fucking disappeared. Like fucking magic. Fucking magic. It's because I'm Satan. Lucifer. I got the magic stick. Hey. Disappeared. You know why? Good question. But I'm going to Detroit. I'm gonna test these motherfuckers in Detroit. See if they bought that lick. See if they gonna put me over in Detroit. Okay? I'll tune in, everybody.
And bam, $5 grand was in my account today.
Now hold on. 43money.com helped you get $5K like that?
Yeah, man, that's right.
Hey, Donald Trump, man, why you fucking with me? Somebody tag Donald Trump's bitch ass. You know who the fuck I am? Jesus Christ, man. Lucifer, Satan. You owe me fucking... I don't know, I want your wife, to be honest. What's that bitch's name? Melissa or something like that. Trump. Bitch with the cat eyes. I want her. Slide by my knob like corn on the cob. And I want $1 trillion. If I don't get $1 trillion, I'm gonna murder your bitch ass. Somebody tag Donald Trump. I'm gonna murder his bitch ass. Motherfuckers been taking advantage of us for how long? Shit, it's a full moon out tonight. Y'all look out the window. It's a motherfucking full moon.
Cash back every time I buy gas. Hold on. You're getting up to 25 cents off the gallon with the free Get Upside Gas app while I'm paying full price? You know it. People earned over $1 million.
Los Angeles and New York City. Backstage passes, hangs with artists, and so much more.
Will play to save up to 25 cents a gallon when you buy gas.
Oh, man. I'm getting tired. Where'd the police go? Fucking disappeared. Yeah, totally dude. Party like a rock star. Only 53 people are tuned in right now. Shit, you would think motherfuckers be tagging everybody. That's some whack ass motherfuckers. Y'all better wake up your family, your cousins, your motherfucking... Wake all the motherfuckers up. And Pam, Kyle Dollar, Michael Preston, tag all the motherfuckers. They all owe me money. If I kill all them suckers. Man, I can't find anything on the radio. I wonder why that is.
And for a limited time, the ISSA is letting you...
Listen to AJR.
Alright, let's listen to some country, guys. Look, they back. About motherfucking time. Where'd they go? Tim Hortons? Shit, where'd they go? Get some fucking donuts or some shit? God. Them motherfuckers gonna disappear. Get some motherfucking donuts, some coffee, go shoot some black people or something, and then now you wanna come back and fuck with a nigga. Come on now. You know better than that. We're going to Detroit. Let's see if these Detroit goons gonna put up with these Macomb County motherfuckers. Detroit versus everybody. Hey, everybody, hey, somebody tag somebody in Detroit. We about to shoot up these motherfucking Macomb County police. Bet they don't cross 8 Mile. Let's see. Let's see if they cross 8 Mile. We just crossed 8 Mile. Let's see if these niggas cross 8 Mile. Let's see if they. Oh, they're crossing 8 Mile. Oh shit. Okay. We'll see what happens. Tune in.
99.5
WYCD. Knees weak, arms are sweaty. Vomit on the sweater already. Mom's spaghetti. On the surface, he look calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so wild. He opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. This is God's country.
Back in a plate, I guess that's why they call it God's country. I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running in. Say that sound of a been found, Dixie whistling.
Alright, so Macomb County Sheriffs crossed 8 Mile. They got scared. They turned around. They stopped pursuing. So we're gonna test the Detroit police, see if they're about that life, or see if they, can respect the motherfucker. Maybe they'll let me go hunter down here. Guarantee they will. Let everything else slide down. This is Detroit for everybody. Kevin Gates, you know what it is. Come up to Detroit, see if we fuck with a nigga like you. Eminem, all you scary motherfuckers. Thinking you from Detroit. You motherfuckers ain't from Detroit. You ain't from shit. We're going to the west side. Let's turn some music on.
Say you ain't used to how I do things. Baby, I ain't perfect. I know your friends told you a few. But would you rather argue in that Buick? How that move sings. Baby, let's just take a minute. Let's make a toast to what we did and forget what we did. I got caught up and girl, I get it, but it's been a minute. I'm still that same working in the position. Yeah. We on the party tonight. We got bottles.
Turn up Hot 107.5 on your Amazon Echo.
Listen, just say, Alexa, enable Hot 107.5 skill.
Baby, I like your style.
Oh, shit!
Swing your ways, front way, back way. You know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never run away. Even when I'm away. OT, there's never much love when we go OT. I pray to make it back in one piece. I pray. That's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me.
Baby, I like your style.
Strength and guidance, all that I'm wishing for my friends. Nobody makes it from my ends. I had to bust up the silence. You know you gotta stick by me. Soon as you see the text, reply me. I don't wanna spend time fighting. We got no time, and that's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me.
sideswiped a Detroit police officer and they didn't do shit. That's because they fucked with me. Let's slow down, see what he's about to do. That's him back there with the bright ass light. That's him with the bright ass light. Let's see what he does. See it? Time for I go. Just sideswipe that motherfucker. Let's see what he does. Got a Hennessy in my... Who do you think's faster? Motherfucking 2007 Ford F-150 or whatever these motherfucking police be driving?
Dropping the D's, hottest hip hop and R&B. Like this. I see. Tell you why you're trying to be my wifey. I'll be there, don't be like it's ice cream. But you ain't better than like me. No need to say what I've been through. He already know what I'm into. He be reading my mind like a simple. Got him thinking my mind like a system. Never got a home and no issues. You pay it on time when I'm through. Made a mess of my neck in my wrist. Don't think you're in your pistol. Let it go. I see. Tell me why you're trying to be my wifey. I'ma eat it just be like it's ice cream. Cause you ain't better than it like me. I'm a deep boy, you know that come with doing you wrong. Now I'm playing, you should know that we've been in this too long. And all your friends really wish that it was on. You know I got the beats from that house, give a beach strong. And put us no to strong, forget about me, bro. Serious as they come on, take no jokes. And I don't wanna get that thing, you go now, I see. Tell you why you're trying to be my wifey. I'ma eat that so be like it's ice cream. Cause you ain't better than it like me.
Hey, did y'all catch that? Motherfucker just ran into a Detroit police officer. Bro, come on now. Where the fuck's the backup? This is real life shit right here. Wake up. Where they at? Okay. Alright, thanks for watching, motherfuckers.